flow up. Little man on the block with the plans to blow up. You can make it out the ghetto if you reach for the stars. When the times is getting rough, just think with your heart. Love is all around and sometimes it's covered with hate. The more love, the less violence, and the feeling is great. Sometimes I fly with my eyes closed and vision my path. When my eyes start to open, I can see what I